Hello and welcome to Tax Ace. This video is for all our Canadian entrepreneurs and business owners out there. Today we are going to be talking about something really exciting from the Canadian government, which is something called the Canadian Digital Adoption Program, CDAP. Today we're going to break down the details and how it means you can invest more money digital marketing in your business with the help of the Canadian government. Here is our friend Darren Cabral with the details.
My name is Darren Cabral. I'm the CEO of Suit Social, and we help companies just like yours build their brand, generate leads, and make more money online. So today we're talking about CDAP, okay, the Canadian Digital Adoption Program. This is basically a government program where they've put aside $4 billion to invest in small businesses that meet a certain criteria to help them invest in their digital marketing, their e-commerce, their online booking systems, their social media marketing, their SEO. It's basically helping businesses kickstart that digital marketing because the government realizes, just like we at Suit Social have been preaching for years, that digital marketing is critical. If you're going to compete, if you're going to grow into the future, you need to invest in digital marketing. They also realize that a lot of companies don't want to take that leap. They're scared, it's risky, or they just don't have the money. And so they're going to help them do that. This is a great thing for digital marketing because it shows that, firstly, the government believes in it. They think it's worth the investment. They think there is a result to get out of it that makes sense. And it's also good news for businesses because if they've been on the fence for a while, maybe they don't have the funds, this is going to help them really get started and experience the power firsthand. So we don't know too much about the program just yet, and we'll probably release a more detailed blog or video at some point in the future. But I will give you the high level. The program is broken up into two main parts. You have your Grow Your Business Online grant, and then you have the Boost Your Technology grant. The main differences are basically the Grow Your Business Online is a smaller grant. It's in the $2,000 mark. I believe it's $2,400. And it's a grant that basically helps you with your social media marketing, your SEO, getting, for example, an online booking system up on your website. It's a direct grant to basically get the services completed. They also give you access to professionals. They have kind of trusted advisors that you can work with that will help you implement this stuff in your business. Whereas the Boost Your Technology grant is basically a bigger grant. It's up to $15,000. There's different criteria you'd have to meet to be eligible for that. And it really helps you pay for, again, an advisor this time that is specializing in digital adoption and digital investment, digital marketing strategy. And you're going to be able to invest that $15,000 in working with a professional to help you come up with a digital marketing strategy, a plan for your business. They can look at all of your kind of elements. What are you missing? What are the opportunities? What do you need? And they'll help you really map out that whole thing so you can figure out where you need to go in the future in terms of digital marketing. And that is a grant. It's free money. It's yours to use as long as you meet the criteria and you invest it accordingly of the guidance they provide. However, with the Boost Your Technology grant, there's also a secondary piece where you can be eligible for a 0% interest-free loan from the Development Bank of Canada, which is the BDC bank. And they'll be providing that loan on behalf of the Canadian government or with them, however that works in association with. But basically, you'll be able to apply for additional money. So the goal there is basically going to be that first $15,000, you hire that advisor, that professional they connect you with. They're going to come up with a game plan. And then if you need to implement it, let's say that you need a big ad budget, you're going to start spending money on Facebook ads or Google ads and SEO and all these things, you can go and get that interest-free loan and invest that in the programs once you've figured out the direction. So whether you're a slightly bigger business and need more capital like the $15,000 and you need a full deep dive and a plan, or you're just a small business, a small shop, you do nails, you do hair, whatever it is, and you need the $2,400 just to invest in your social and your SEO, both those programs are going to be great. If you haven't heard about it yet, definitely look it up. Again, it's called CDAP, the Canadian Digital Adoption Program, and they have the Grow Your Business Online grant and the Boost Your Technology grant. Both are great depending on your situation. Hopefully you can make use of that. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.
Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us here at Tax Ace, and we would be happy to answer any of your questions about the grant and maybe eventually even help you build and implement some of these programs in the future. Please also drop a comment below and don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and we will see you soon.